Up here in the dark, making videos at night. So it's about, I don't know, 1, 2 a.m. Can't see it, but it's dribbling. Monsoon weather. You can't see anything around here at night. There's nothing to focus onto. This is a lousy night camera. What if we go like that? Oh, that really makes it light up though. Look at that. I almost see stuff now. So we got a trailer full of wheels and tires. We already put a lot of them away. So, oh, the rat nest. You uncovered the rat nest. Good deal. So we got our volunteer help up here helping. So we load during the day and come up at night. It's a lot cooler up here at night at 70. We found a little buddy over here. Oh, his head got knocked down. Did you hit him?
I don't remember hitting him.
Oh, there's our little rat friend.
Oh no, he just fell back into his tire place.
Oh, we're gonna leave him in there too. He's been living there for about 15 years, it looks like.
At least.
So if you want that 450 18 tire, chain shin, you know, that's quality American-made stuff there. We have a nice, genuine American-made rat that we might make you a deal on. So there you go. We only have the best quality stuff around here, see. Yeah, nighttime. Nothing on that side yet. We're getting packed in over here though. Yeah, getting a lot of crap. Somebody keeps putting more junk up here. Oil leaks. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're down today, I don't know, 6 I think. And we just quit making these, keep making loads up. So this is 4 shelf units we're gonna go dump off, and got a whole bunch of aluminum rims and stuff. Do you think the rats up here are gonna take the rat nest material? I bet you it's gone by tomorrow.
If they don't, the birds will.
And the birds will. Yeah, there we go. So anyway, we just keep stuffing stuff in here and working away. It's nice in the rain. You can't see the clouds though. It's raining though right now. Dribble, dribble, dribble. So anyway, that's our update. So we'll get some pictures of the shop here when we get back in that area. Yeah, that's how we're doing it. Work during the day when people want to work, and then come up here at night and unload. Start again the next day. So you want to come in a nice wet weather, come on up and help. There you go. There it goes. All right, there's your rat. Get some better views of him. Mr. Rat got dead in a tire. So, not sure how he got stuck in that tire, but he didn't make it. Mr. Rat did not make it. Yep. One dead rat.